If you are experiencing issues with the sending audio messages on your iPhone, don't stress. There are several ways to resolve it. The problem could be due to settings, connectivity issues, or app glitches. Here's how to troubleshoot and fix it. Solution 1. Check audio message settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, scroll down and tap Messages. Scroll to Audio Messages. Ensure expire is set to 1 year or your preferred duration to prevent messages from disappearing too quickly. Solution 2. Restart the Messages app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the Home button to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the Messages app to close it. Reopen the Messages app and try sending the audio message again. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Check your internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or has cellular data enabled. Open Control Center. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa to see if that resolves the issue. Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Updating your iPhone may fix any bugs affecting audio messages. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. This will reset all your settings without deleting your data. With these steps, you should be able to fix the issue preventing you from sending audio messages on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below.